How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Palworld with your friends on Xbox or Xbox Series X. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So much like with any other multiplayer game, Palworld has more or less the same design as other sandbox, or I should say, open world exploration RPGs. So to actually play with your friends, you need to communicate. The way it works is you need to load into any world. So it could be your world, or you could even do this from the menus. And to actually join your friends' world, or if you want to host it yourself, if you wanted to host it yourself, you would need to boot into a game, and you need to hit escape, or I should say the menus on your Xbox controller, and select world settings. Now this would display the details of your session as well as the code in which your friends need to type in to join your session or your world. So I need to go world settings, and you want to make sure that multiplayer is toggled on. Make sure that this is checked, or the box is ticked, or whatever. And when you go on, head to the options tab menu. So after that, you'll have the option to reveal your world code or session code, and then you would want to send it to your friends. So when they input this code into the multiplayer or join world game option, then they'd be able to join the world. And this also works vice versa. If they were hosting the world, then they would have to send you the code, and when you input the code, you can join the world. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.